Welcome to the Rubbish Portal setup guide for food vendors. In this short video, I'll show you how to log in, how to find your way around once you're inside the platform. To get started, go to the Rubbish Portal website, it's rubbishportal.com, and in the top right hand corner, you'll see you can log in or sign up today. If you don't have an account, click sign up today, and it will just walk you through the instructions. If you do, click log in, you just enter your email, it's going to send you a magic code, which is basically acts like your password. So you just add that in once it arrives in your emails. There it is. And away we go, and you're in. And here we're at your home page, and your home page is a bit of an overview of everything going on in your account, and also works quite well as a sort of menu. So you've got your public profile here, your customers, your products, your sales. You get a little summary below, and then a button that will take you to the page. You can also access the menu here on the left. So in the next few videos, I'm going to walk you through each of these sections and show you how to use them.